I feel today has been a bit of a shit day for me so far. Just put it out there.
Jamie's blog.
Dear Swabians, it is another calming day here in Oneida, New York. Back and forth. But I don't know, today has just been shit for me, I feel. My body's in that shit place, trying to sort some bills out and stuff. Plus as well, trying to make a transfer from my joint account into my account. And I have a bank notice saying that you can't take out already, you can't take out the greater number than is already in the account. And I'm looking at the account, I'm like, I've got more than enough than that just to take even $10 out. And they're not even letting me take that out. What the fuck? So, another calm day. Sort of later, but I just want to die. So I was checking my Twitter feed. I'll be back in 2 seconds. They love to scream in my ear. Let's try that again. I was checking my Twitter feed, and I was quite surprised by, well, one good thing and one sort of a bad thing. Like a sad, not bad. One being that Once Upon a Time just got announced they're renewed for a 7th season, so that's awesome there. Although I don't know how they're going to finish the story and stuff, so that'll be interesting. Second one being that another cast member is leaving Once Upon a Time, and that is, I've forgotten the actress's name, but she plays as Selena, aka the Wicked Witch, so she's going to be flying off the set, which kind of sucks. There, I thought I'd just put that out there and stuff before I get deaf in my ear again. There is a Thunder Forge on our screen. Something does not feel right. Something is missing for this. Boom. Thundered. Boom. Part 2. I'm gonna have a drink with these. These look lovely, although a little bit foamy. Oh, you husband, you are a fandered. You got the fandered. Now chug it like a man. Dun da diddle dun da diddle dun da diddle dun. Chug dun da diddle dun da diddle dun da diddle dun. Drink dun da diddle dun da dun da dun da dun. Stream dun da diddle dun da dun da dun da dun. Forge. That took a lot out of me.
I accidentally sent one up.
It's okay, I was behind anyway.
How is it? Better with the tankard?
It's just good.
Yay. Chin chin. Beautiful number. Let's go!
In the chest and revel with me. Do the newest member. Upper wheelers of the
Ooh. For the forge. Alright guys, gonna call it a night, it is getting quite late. Playing a bit of Jackbox and Steph Anime and then doing some editing for the Twitch channel, so that's awesome. But now I'm gonna watch a bit of Gilmore Girls before I curl up in bed, fall asleep and then continue on with another day. Anyway. Yeah. There's just like a blur day. But hopefully you guys have enjoyed, and if you have, don't forget as always to like and subscribe. And we shall see you tomorrow for a brand spanking new day, and hopefully it will be a little bit better than the rest. So until then, take it easy guys. I'll stop.